I'm also going to deplatform myself as a coach. So yes, you heard it. I'm quitting. So I put a video out yesterday talking about clarity, right? And if you've been watching my channel long enough, you know a lot of the times when I'm giving y'all messages and helping y'all with bettering your life and your business and your situation, a lot of those times I'm talking to myself or giving you examples of and lessons that I'm learning in real time. I follow what's called the do and teach model. As I'm doing this stuff, I teach you on the go, all right? I'm an entrepreneur myself as well. So here we go. Speaking of clarity, it has become clear to me that I need to turn my alarm off because I don't have to get the kids from school anymore. They out. But anyway, but it has become clear to me that it's time for me to restructure my company again. And so I just want to go in down this rabbit hole with y'all and just kind of give y'all more information than y'all really need. But I think, well, I found that a lot of people get a lot of you get a lot of value from when I just come raw like this and just tell my truth and, business lessons that I learned along the way. So here we go. Number one, I have to accept. I've been through this probably 4 times already. I'm officially, I promise, officially ready to accept that I am done with lead generation, okay? And this time is actually not even that it was going so bad or anything. It's more so the lead generation is its own type of company on its own. It's actually been doing pretty decent this time. It's just more so, it's a whole different type of company, and the way it scales is completely different than a software company, which is what we are. And then it's also completely than an e-commerce company, which we also are, and then an education company, which we also are, and also a coaching company, what we've also become, right, with the 1010. So it's just like, you know what, I'm doing too much. And I talked about clarity and getting clear on the direction that you want to go and what type of company that you want to scale. And when I look at it, I don't want to scale a lead generation company, and I never did from the very beginning. But the reason why I kept doing it and keep, even when I get rid of it, I bring it back, is because of y'all. Everybody begged me and asked me to bring it back when I get rid of it. And so I'm like, you know what, for the people I'll do it. I would bite the bullet, even though it's not that profitable. You know what I mean? It is the biggest headache. It's the biggest payroll every single week. I'm paying out tens of thousands every week, right? Trying to run this operation behind the scenes. All right. Actually, no, it's not tens of thousands each week, but it's high 5 figures, all right, each week. High 4 figures each week. And so I'm just like, you know what, I don't have to have that. And so with that said, I'm just like, you know what, let's go back to what I originally wanted. And when I think back in 2023, when I put out my CRM, that was all I really wanted to build, was a software company, period. I like software and I like education. I do not like coaching. I do not like running lead generation as a company, as the CEO. And so because of that, I'm getting rid of a lot of things. We're going to make this thing simple and clear so we can scale it the way that we need to scale it to, all right? And so number one, be clear, leads are leaving. Now, I'm not going to kill it overnight like I've done in the past, no. So here's what's going to happen. Like ASAP, the prices are going up. So I'm going to raise the prices on purpose to slow down demand, but I'll still have it available for those who are willing to pay the higher price for it, because it will give us a higher profit margin on it, and it'll help, supplement payroll in the meantime if somebody decides to buy one. All right, so that's number one. So prices are going up. So if this video happens to come up before the price go up, then you better hurry up and click the buy button, because the way I move is just, you never know when I'm in the back end working and you look 5 minutes later and it changes. So that's that. With that said, since lead generation is leaving, guess what's also changing? 1010 program. So 1010 program currently includes leads included with it. If you pay attention, we already got rid of the 10 leads per month plan on a 1010 program. Soon, we're going to get rid of all lead programs with the 1010 program, and it'll only be just the coaching, because we found is we can get you the same results whether you get leads from us or not. Most of the people are getting the most value from the software itself, the coaching, and those type of things. The leads are great too, but it is a little hit or miss depending on where you are. And we found that it's been better for those who we've coached to hire their own callers and VAs to go source their leads for them, are actually getting great results that way. And so if I can get you to source the leads on your end instead of our end, that's less headaches and moving parts for us, and it's an easier scalable business for me. So with that said, If you plan on getting a 1010 program, or if you wanted to, now is the time. I think it was Miguel Hernandez, I believe it was. I forgot your name, my bad if I messed that up. But he commented in Clean Biz Network today. He said the biggest mistake he made in business so far was not getting a 1010 program last month when I had it on sale for my birthday, right? And I had a discount code. So I won't be bringing that discount code back. You won't be getting 50% off. But because he said that, and because I'm doing what I'm about to do, I will do this. I believe I made a discount code before I left the house to go shoot this video, and I think it's called Last Call. So in all caps, Last Call. All right. Type that in at the checkout, and it'll give you 20% off that down payment for the 1010 program. But again, if you plan on getting the 1010 program and you wanted leads included from us, now is the time, because I'm ending it like ASAP. All right. If you don't get it by the first, then you probably ain't getting one with no leads. I'm getting rid of that, period. All right. And I was talking to the other coaches, and we all was kind of like good with that. So that really, I can stop that today, but I'm only giving it a couple more days, so give y'all time for the people who really was looking forward to it. I don't want to mess your plans up. All right. But including leads with it, that's about to be gone. So we getting rid of lead generation. We getting rid of 1010 with leads included. If you want it, go get it now before I get to the technical side of the things back at home and go fix it. All right, at my computer. All right. Next thing that we doing, we going all in on software. And in order for us to go all in on software, guess what I got to do? I just got to make the onboarding process more seamless. I'm also going to create nonstop tutorials and demos and, you know what I mean? Like case studies to show y'all just how powerful our software is. So you'll see a lot more of that coming. And then we also going to have a lot more education, a lot more free courses. And then also some paid ones, which I'm going to be partnering with other CBN members who have found success in this industry. All right, so you'll see stuff from Big Bank. Shout out to him. We already said we're working on the post construction. Me and Sherman already got the automation, which will still be here. We got government contracting coming up with my guy Aquaman over there, Christian. We're gonna try to get some AI going with Wade. I'm partnering with a lot of the CBN members to keep the education element going with Clean Biz Network. But I really want to keep it just education and software. And because of this, you're going to get a lot more free game from me, because I want to incentivize y'all to join Clean Biz Network and use our software. Okay. I'm also going to deplatform myself as a coach. So yes, you heard it. I'm quitting, right? I'm quitting as a coach, but I'm always going to get free game here on YouTube, right? And then it's like, if you must book me for a consultation, then I'll have that available, but I'm going to raise the price back up to what it used to be $500, you know what I mean, for like an hour, I think is what it was, because I don't want to do them anyway. But if you insist on just speaking directly to me and me only, because I'm the greatest of all time, then you can pay it, but you can pay the price, right? Because I'm going to have all these other qualified CBN members who also run successful cleaning companies that you can always just book with instead, all right? And shout out to my other coaches, all right? But that is the direction that I want to go, and that's what I got clarity on. And so I'm telling you this to give you a fair warning, like I always do when I make these changes. And I promise you this time, I'm not changing. I had a long talk with ChatGPT, and I told Chat, I said, you know what? From now on, if I bring up any new ideas, shut it down. We doing this, and this is it. Clean Biz Networks memberships. Calculated Clean memberships. That's it. And Calculated Clean, I'm probably going to separate and make it its own company so they won't interfere with promotional wise. That's it. All right, that's where it's, and I had to get that clarity with myself. And like I told y'all, I'm learning out loud, like messing up out loud in front of y'all in public, so you can see and learn how to move in your situation. So like I said yesterday, I spoke on clarity. This is the type of things that you got to do. If you got to restructure. If you got to go somewhere, bust your head, go back, go do it again and bust your head again and keep doing it till you finally get the lesson, then so be it. Because you see, that's literally what I did in real time, especially with that lead generation. You know what I mean? And so it's like now, and then that's me just trying to give y'all what y'all want so much, but I can't be everything to everybody. What I can be is the best at what I do, and that's it. You know what I mean? If somebody else want to go, become a lead generation company, then go for it. That's up to them, and I can always be an affiliate for them. But that ain't where that lane that I wanted to go, and it never was the plan to begin with. So it's like, you know what? I'm sticking to the plan from here on out. Clarity is the word for the rest of this year and really going forward. You know what I mean? I got a 3-year plan already in place that I put together. You know what I mean? I'm just going to stick to that, period. And that reminds me of another thing. So I made a mistake too, right? I put out this new challenge. I put out a challenge called the Commercial Client Challenge, is what I called it. And then before that was my next commercial client challenge. But either way, not doing it. Okay, I done bought the domain and everything, and I've just changed my mind. I'm not doing it. So instead, we will do a challenge, but it won't be that. So if you got that, you're gonna get the refund by the end of the day. All right, but we're not doing that challenge no more. I take it back. It's pointless. I don't need more products. All right, what I will replace that with is the 3 days to automation challenge. So you're gonna automate your cleaning business. So we're gonna teach the automation course. We're gonna teach the automation course in 3 days. Me and Sherman Lewis, we're gonna teach it live. If you're already in the automation program, you're free to come. It's June 15th through the 17th, 2026. All right, so that'll be next month, in a couple of weeks. June 15th through the 17th, 2026. As long as you're in the automation program, you can come. If you're not in the automation program, then go to www.cleanbizuniversity.com and sign up for the automation program. Go through the automation course ahead of time before you come to this boot camp, this 3-day workshop, or this challenge, whatever we want to call it. All right, before you come to this challenge, so that way you'll be ahead of the game. So when we going through this, because we ain't gonna be all day like the past workshops where we spent full days. This is going to be a 3-day challenge. Day 1, we're doing lead generation. You're going to know how to do it. Boom. Day 2, we're doing subcontracting mastery. You're going to know how to do it in a way that nobody ever showed you before. Boom. Then day 3, automations. We're going to show you how to use all of the pre-built automation that we gave to you, that we pre-built for you. And then we also going to show you how to use the CRM in ways that you never even realized were there. And then also how to build your own automations if you wanted to build your own automations in addition to the ones that we provide you with. That's what the boot camp gonna be. So within 3 days, you're gonna walk in with a business that you wish was automated and walk out with a business that's actually automated. All the systems gonna be there. You're gonna know how to use it straight like that. And we ain't gonna be all day either. Ain't gonna take all your time. Cause shout out to Tony. He made me realize, you know what, those workshops be too long. People got stuff to do. And I'm thinking more time I give y'all, the more value it is, right? It's like, no. If we can get the same value with half the time, a quarter of the time, then great. And I'm like, you know what, good, because that's how I felt anyway. I'm not trying to spend my whole damn day in a training session either, whether I'm teaching or sitting in it, right? So bam. So that's where we at with y'all. So if you want to come to that challenge until I update the actual link, just go to Clean the Biz Automation. Go to Clean Biz University, get the automation program, buy the automation program, and then and then you'll be in the challenge. The challenge is June 15th through the 18th. And then the challenge also will be, since it's a challenge, shout out to Myron Golden, I'm following his lead on this one. It will only be up for 24 hours after it's done, okay? So you got to actually attend the challenge physically. But if you're in an automation program, you can come for free, but you got to be there for those days, 15th through the 18th. So mark it on your calendar, all right? Now, I did give a discount code for what for the 1010. I will give a discount code for this. It'll be the same one. Last call. It'll work on the automation one too. All right. So I made it work for both of those. But that's it. Everything else is pretty much going away. We really focusing on software and Clean Biz Network membership. So we'll still have a community element to our software to help separate our software from everybody else, on top of all of the features that it already has. You know what I mean? It's just next level, period. I got to show you. It's something else I want to show y'all too. I literally built my daughter a website using AI within our CRM software. I literally went in there and told her to build her a beat store combined with an art collection store that she can sell her art and her beats, etc. And it built it in 10 minutes or less. It might have been like, I typed in the prompt. I walked away, went in the kitchen, got something to food. By the time I got back, it was built. So it might have been less than that. You know what I mean? But it's amazing what this can do. And I just turned that on my account to see if it will work. Now that I know that will work, that's just another add-on that we about to give to everybody in CBN. I want to be the greatest cleaning business software that we got out here. All right, so I'm like, okay, if that's what I want to do, then I got to stop looking every damn way and trying to do every damn thing for every damn body. All right, so that's what we want to do, y'all. I really want y'all to join Clean Biz Network. I want y'all to really find the value in the software and also the value in the community. That's what I really want more than anything, all right? And then I want y'all automate. So join that automation program, all right? And that's it. And again, if you still was interested in that 1010 program, this is the time to get it, 1010program.com. But as the way it is and the way it has been, it's been cool and we got some success stories, but I'm not trying to be a coaching company. I don't want CBN to be that, and we're trying to go too damn much, and I'm not backed by founders. All right? I don't have a day job to supplement my income. It's just me. All right? And then on top of that, y'all know, divorce ain't cheap. All right? So it's like I got to make sure I keep clarity and stay on the straight and narrow where the hell I'm trying to get to, and not get distracted by, I'm leaving money on the table, like I was telling y'all earlier. Because that's what, all money ain't good money, and all money ain't my money. If it's on that table, on somebody else's table, that wasn't my money, that was their money. I need to stay and focus on this money and reinvest in what we already building over here. All right? So if you want to get the best software that there is for a cleaning business to have, especially for commercial cleaning, and we're going to get it ramped up for everything, but make sure you go to www.cleanbiznetwork.app and join us in Clean Biz Network. Is only $99 a month, and you get a whole full CRM software, bidding calculators, proposal generators, invoicing, you name it. Social media manager, website builder. It's all in one software for a business owner. It really can be for any industry, but I'm just focused on cleaning because that's what I do. All right, well, that's what I did. All right. And then also, if you wanted to get in the 1010 program, go to 1010program.com and get that ASAP before the month ends if you wanted leads included, because that's going away. Discount code last call, all together spelled. All right. And then the automation program, you go to cleanbizuniversity.com and you can use that same discount code at checkout as well. But that's what I got for y'all, man. Like I said, the boot camp will be June 15th through the 17th. And that's it, y'all. I feel like a weight has lifted off my shoulder when I found this clarity. And now from here on, I'm just going to stick with it. You shouldn't see any new, programs or nothing from me. The only thing that you should see different from me, I might, like I said, we're going to stay at education company. So I put together more courses. They're typically going to be free courses that's automatically given to anybody in Clean Biz Network with an active membership. As long as you got an active membership, you just click on the learning tab, you'll see the new course in there. And we're going to constantly put out more information on that. Because I want y'all the bottom line is, the better of a cleaning company that you run, then the better I am, because that means you'll have the budget to be able to afford to keep your software subscription to Clean Biz Network, right? So I'm going to do better with educating y'all on how to build the best company that you can build and keep the best company you can build, and make sure my software is the best software you can have, so you incentivize to stay with us right here at Clean Biz Network. So that's the clarity I got for the rest of this year and moving forward. Hopefully you was able to find that clarity that I told you to get after watching yesterday's video. If you haven't watched it already, I'm going to put a link somewhere up there. Click that link. I think I'm going to point that way or that way, but click one of them links. I'm going to point to that video. All right, go watch that and get the clarity in your life that you need to get, y'all. I'm AJ Simmons. Make sure y'all drop a comment, like, subscribe. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me all these years, y'all. I'm the Clean the Business GOAT. I'm out of here. Thank y'all.